In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Google Calendar, a handy feature for staying organized, especially when you're traveling or managing events across different time zones. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter, or simply search for Google Calendar using your preferred search engine and click on the link. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account by checking the top right corner of the page. Your profile picture or initial should appear there, indicating you're in the right account. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look towards the top right of the screen. There, you'll see a gear icon. This icon is crucial because it gives you access to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select the option labeled Settings. This will redirect you to the main settings page where you can adjust various calendar preferences. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you will notice a sidebar with several options. Locate and click on the option that reads General. This section houses all the fundamental settings for your calendar. Next, you'll find a subsection titled Time Zone. Click on it to access the time zone settings. Inside the time zone section, you will see several options to configure. The primary one you'll want to focus on is labeled Your Current Time Zone. By clicking on the drop-down menu next to this label, you will see a comprehensive list of time zones from which you can choose. Find your desired time zone from this list. In case you're unsure of your exact time zone, a quick online search or referring to a world clock can assist you in making the correct selection. Once you've found your time zone, click on it to change your calendar settings accordingly. This change should automatically update your Google Calendar to reflect the new time zone you've selected. It's important to note that if you manage multiple calendars, you'll want to ensure that each one reflects your preferred time zone. You can do this by navigating back to the calendar page and checking each individual calendar's settings, located under the My Calendars list, to make similar changes. This step ensures consistency and prevents scheduling mishaps when managing different calendars for different tasks or purposes. Finally, once your settings are updated, take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Check any upcoming events to verify their timing aligns with the new time zone setting. And there you have it. You've now successfully updated the time zone in your Google Calendar, allowing you to manage appointments and events seamlessly, no matter where you find yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Feel free to explore other settings within Google Calendar to further customize your experience. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!